All right, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ezebuchi Emere for Noble Tech Hub, and today we are going to learn how to make this logo here. Okay, but first of all, let's check the intro. Welcome back, guys. Okay, like I said, we are going to learn how to make this logo here. All right. Okay, so there is actually a process we must follow in order to get our logo design. Okay, so the first thing is to do what is to get inspiration. All right. So you know where to go for you to get that inspiration. All right. So after getting your inspiration, okay, you now put your logo together. Okay, that is, you now design, as in to make this design. Okay, and then the last thing to do, okay, is to do what, to do what we call presentation. Okay, presentation is exactly how your client will see the logo. All right, and for your job to be what, presented very well, recently we have so many types of mockups. All right, these mockups, they are actually what you are going to use to present your jobs, okay, or your works. All right, now the word mockups will be familiar to those, okay, that are used to CorelDRAW and Photoshop. All right, so but I will just show you guys now how to do it using your your smartphone. All right, you get the point, right? Okay, so right now the inspiration that we have gotten is this one here now, okay, which I'm going to show you how to do. I've done this for a client. Okay, so I'll just show you the steps to follow, okay, to design this logo here, this job here. All right, so like I told you, the first thing to do is to what, to import the image, okay, as a sample image, okay, which I have done. Okay, anything that you want to do, as far as you have gotten the inspiration, you have gone to Google and you have seen what you want to do, you have downloaded it. Okay, the next thing is what, import it into your Pixel Lab, so you can be looking at it. Okay, can just make it like this one. You can just make it to be small. All right, then you now design something that looks exactly like what you just downloaded. Okay, even if it's not exactly like that, you can do what, design something that will look like it. Okay, you get the point, right? All right, okay, now this logo here is actually for what, a laundry brand. Okay, that is a dry cleaning brand. Okay, so how did I come about this concept? So now we are talking about a dry cleaning brand. Okay, so for your logo to be very, very good, there must be a connection between the services the person offers and the logo you are designing. All right, that connection must be what, must be there. Okay, the connection of text, all right, connection of images that you use, okay, and everything have to come together. Okay, now do not bother yourself thinking how I designed this image here. All right, this hanger that you are seeing here, okay, is a PNG image. All right, and this image, I downloaded it from the what, from where, from the internet. Okay, so when you know what you want to do, okay, try and look for a what, a PNG image that will what, interact with your audience. Okay, so what do I mean by PNG images? Okay, PNG image is actually an image that do not come with what, background. Okay, I will show you all that when we start. Okay, so how do you get these PNG images? Okay, it's not difficult. Okay, I have showed you guys how to do that already. Okay, you can go back to watch my previous videos for you to know how to get PNG images for your design. So right now I'm going to tell you another website. Okay, in case you have forgotten, let's go over to where, to png3.com. Okay, this is the website that gives you any kind of PNG images that you need for what, for your design. All right, so the next thing is to what, the next thing is to bring in that image that I have already downloaded. Okay, so you know what to do. All right, so just I'll be using, okay, so I'll be using this as my pointer. Just go here. Okay, here, this plus icon here, click on it, go here, go and import the image. So look at the image here. I will send this image to you. Okay, 1:1 ratio. All right, then accept that. So the image is here now. Okay, so let's make this one small. Stay here. Let's make this one small. Stay here. So let's position this one here. Okay, let's still reduce this. Okay, let's position this one here. All right. Let's come here. You know, it's an object. Let's come here. Let's make it to be in the middle, in the center. Click here. All right. So accept that. So okay, now the next thing to do is to lock it. Come here so that it doesn't move anywhere. Lock it from here. Locked. Okay. Come here again to go back. So guys, after that, this thing cannot move again. Okay. So the next thing now is to what? Is to put, guys, if you look at this, let's make it to come to front. Come here, look at front. Okay. Look at this right up here. This DN. Sorry. Yes, DN. Okay. So we are going to add that right up. Okay. Make this to be small. Okay. You know where to go. Come to this plus icon here. Click on it. Test. Okay. Let's edit that. Either you double click on it. Okay. Or you do it the other way. Okay. You know the other way that you can do it. Okay. So let's type in DN in capital letter. Okay. Accept that. Right. Let's make this to be big so we've seen it. Okay, let's increase this one. Let's increase it. Position it here. Okay. The next thing now is let's work on this text here now. Come here, this capital A. Okay, click on it. Then let's change the font. Let's change the font. Come here. Okay. Let's give it a font. Let's look for that font there. I think it's Blackout Sunrise. I think yes, this one. Okay. Then accept that. Okay, that's the font here. That's the font. Let's make it to be small. See where you want to drag it from here. Okay, so that is that. Make it to be small. Okay, let's position it where we're using our position 2. Come here, look at it here. Click on it. All right. So okay, let's reduce this. Okay. Okay. Let's increase it a little bit. We want to position it very well. Okay, accept that. So let's reduce the size. Come here. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so let's increase it a little bit. Let's accept that. Now let's position it again. Okay, now let's make it to be in the center. Accept this first. Come here. Come here. Okay, it's not in the center now. Accept that. Then come here. Take it down. Okay. Let's make it to be perfect. Okay, accept that. Okay, we have done that. Okay, now look at this again. You will notice it's a kind of shiny. Okay, that thing is what? A texture. Okay, I textured it. I textured both the hanger, both the DN and the name of the what and the name of the laundry service, like the name of the dry cleaning brand. Okay, so we're going to do that right now. Make it to be small. Okay, then you know you locked your hanger, so you cannot edit it again. So for you to edit it, just come here. Okay, your layer. You can now click on it. Okay, then after that, click here back to go back. Then come to this here. Okay, click on it. Then let's do forward texture here. Got the texture here. You're going to texture it. All right, click here to go. It will take you to your photos, to your gallery. All right, look at it here. Okay, so let's do this. I don't want to see this design by Kineko. Make it to come like this. Okay, so let's accept that. Okay, have you seen? So texturing is what brings life to a design. Okay, I don't joke with it at all. All right, so come over here, enable this. Okay, let's scale it. Let's see. Yes. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Let's check. Okay, let's leave it like this for now. Okay, accept that. All right, so we are going to do what? We are going to do same thing to this DN. Okay, same thing to this DN. We are going to texture it as well. Okay, it is an text. Come here, click on it. Let's locate the texture. Click here. Okay, click here. All right, look at it here. Okay, same thing. Accept that. Okay, let's enable this. Okay, let's get it. Okay, it looks as if you're not seeing it, but not to worry. That is because of this background. If you change this background, you will see it. All right, accept that. Okay, let's look at this again. Okay, if you look at this very well, you observe a kind of white lines. Okay, that is a stroke. Okay, let's add stroke to this. Okay, you know where to come here. Okay, enable this, make this to be active. Okay, go back. Okay, come down here, okay, locate the stroke. Okay, look at the stroke here. Okay, enable that. Okay, have you seen the white lines? Okay, let's make it to be 1. Let's see. Okay, 1 is okay. Let's accept that. Accept. Okay, now the next thing now is to do what? Add the name here. Come here, test. You know where to go, test. Okay, then you can edit this from here. Edit. Okay, then type the name there. The name of the brand is what? Here I want you to type your own name as a proof that you did it. Okay, the Noble. Okay, so let's accept that. Okay, let's make it capital letter here. Okay, accept that. All right, so let's increase that. Okay, then let's position it very well here. Okay, first let's change the font. Come over to font, look for font. Look at the font here. Okay, let's give it a good font. Let's check in my font. Okay, let's give it this font. Okay, accept that. Okay, let's accept it. Okay, I think that's the font. Okay, but okay, it's not the font, but we're going to use it like that. All right, so let's position it very well here. Okay, let's use our position 2 for that. Let's do for position 2. Okay, look at it here. Then let's work on it. Let's position it very well. I think it's not positioned. Yeah, let's accept that first. Let's see. Okay, the next thing now is to let's texture it. Okay, let's texture it. All right, texture. Okay, here. Okay, all right. Look at our texture here. Click on it. Okay, then accept that. All right. Enable this scale. Okay, maintain the ratio and scale it. Let's see. Scale it. Just scale it. Once you scale it, just make it to look good at your own taste. At your own test. Okay, let's accept that for now. Okay, all right. So let's look at our sample again. Let's see. Okay, now if you look at this, you notice our hanger here. Our hanger here is a kind of shiny. Okay, not that too shiny. It's different from here. Okay, let's work on that. I think that is the embossment. Yes, let's cancel this. Okay, let's make this to be small. All right. Well, first of all, let's lock all this. Let's see. Come here. All right. Let's lock it. Come down here. Click on here. Okay. So this one, and this one. Come here. Okay. Accept that. Okay. Let's go back here. After that, they are now, all of them are now what? Shape. Let's come here. Okay. Let's emboss it. Let's see. Emboss. Okay, enable it. All right, guys, have you seen what we have here? Okay, let's work on it. Here with the right. Okay, I guess the light ray will come from this place here. It's okay like this. Let's go down. The intensity. Let's increase that. Let's increase it. Okay, Abby, increase it first. The light, the ambient light. Okay, okay, are you seeing what is happening there? Just play around with all this to your own desired test. Okay, all right, you can just however that you want to do it, just work on it. All right, so guys, let me accept this like this. All right, so let's change this background so that we'll be seeing this DN. Come over to this background, come over to this color. Okay, let's make it to be like let's add white. Okay, so you are now seeing the DN, right? Accept that. Okay, let's make that to be black. Okay, black. This one is okay. Accept that. I know why I say let's use black, because we are going to add another test, and that test is white. Okay, is laundry services. Okay, let's add that. Come over here, test. Okay, test. Okay, got our test. So let's edit our test. Right, type laundry. Okay, services. Okay, services. Yes. Okay, capital letter. Accept that. All right, take this thing up here. Okay, undo that. Take this up here and reduce it. Then this one here, make it to fit in where. See where I'm dragging it from. Drag it from here so that it will be in a straight line. Then after that, let's make it to be what? let's reduce the size. Come here, let's work on the size here. Size, okay, let's reduce the size from here. Okay, make it to fit in. Let's see, reduce the size. Okay, increase this a little bit, make it to fit in here. Okay, it's okay now. Accept that. Let's position it to be in the center. Okay, accept that. Then let's take it up a little bit. Up a little bit. Accept that. Okay, now the next thing is to change the font of that. Let's change the font to something sweet. Okay, come here, font. Okay, so let's do for fonts. In your font, don't exceed more than 3 fonts. We can use 2, you can use 3, but don't exceed 3. Okay, so let's use this font. Okay, accept that. Okay, let's still reduce the size a little bit. Where's the size? The size. Okay, got the size here. Let's reduce that a little bit because of the font that we changed. Accept that. Work on the position is very well. Accept that. Let's take it up. Okay, accept that. You know where I clicked. Position is very well here. Okay, so that is that. Let's go and lock all this so that they won't move. Lock. Okay, so that is that. Go back. Then it can't move again. Then the next thing is to add this text, the stream ironing here, text here. Okay, come down here. All right, so we are going to edit this text here. This text, double click on it. Okay, stream ironing. All right, what is the next thing there? Dry cleaning. Okay, dry cleaning. Okay, let's make this wake up to better. Okay, I said let's check another thing there. Carpet cleaning. Okay, carpet cleaning. Okay, so let's check another one. Home cleaning. Okay, home cleaning. All right, let's check another one. Express services. Okay, express services. The last one is what? Same day delivery. Okay, so same day. Okay, delivery. Okay, let's take this one down. All right, so accept that. Let's see. It's not everywhere. We are going to reduce the size now. Okay, come here. We are still here, as you can see. Size. Let's reduce this size. Okay, take this one here, our sample, take it up, reduce it. Okay, keep it here. This one. Okay, the next thing now is to do what? Let's align it. Okay, to be in the center. Align to center. We are still here. We are still editing our text. Okay, so let's go for the align. Okay, align. Click on it. Center here. Okay. Accept that. Okay. Then drag from here. Okay. That is that. So that it will fit in. Okay. Let's see. We are still going to what? Change this font. Let's change this font first. Come over to font. See our font here. Let's give it the same font so that we won't be using different fonts every time. This font. Accept that. Now let's reduce the size a little bit. Come to size. Let's look for the size here. Look at the size. Okay, let's reduce it from here. Let's reduce it. Okay, accept that. Let's position it to the center here. All right. Then the next thing now is to do what? Let's remove this. Let's remove this here. Okay, that's comma. Double click on it. Just go there. You see that comma? Okay, here is the comma, right? Here. Let's remove this comma here. Okay. Then let's change the color. Come here. We are still editing the text color. So if the color is not here, let's not waste our time. Let's go to this place, this plus icon. Use your color picker. Click on this. Okay, click on this color to take that color. Okay, where's the color? We are taking you. You will not do anything. Okay, let's accept that here. Let's accept that here too. All right. So that is that. Okay. Okay, guys. The next thing is to add our phone number. Come here. Okay. Test. Okay, bring it here. Double click on it to edit it. You're going to add your own phone number here as a proof that you did it yourself. Okay. So accept that. Let's position it here. Now let's change the font. Okay, we are going to use one of the fonts here. We're going to use the font we used for this one. Okay, we don't want to keep on changing fonts. We're going to be using same fonts. Okay, so that your work will look great. Come here, font. Let's look for that font. Recent. It will be in recent. Okay, look at it here. Okay, accept that. Accept that. Accept that. Let's make it to be big. Position it here. Okay, so that is that. Your number needs to be what, to show very well so that people will see it. Okay, that's the main aspect of your logo, so that people will see your number and will be able to call you. All right, so the next thing now is to do what? Let's reduce this number a little bit. Come to size. Let's just reduce it. After reducing it, come over. Let's space this number. Come to spacing. Okay, let's space it a little bit. Okay, so okay, accept that. Okay, now let's position it to be in the center. Come here, center. Accept that. Then come here, take it up small. Accept that. Then the next thing is to add our the WhatsApp icon and the phone icon. Okay, come over to here. You go to your gallery. All right. So guys, look at your WhatsApp icon. Okay, let's import it. Okay, I'm going to send this to you. All right, accept that. Make it to be small. Okay, position it here first. Let's import the core icon. Come over here again. Gallery. All right, guys, look at our core icon here. Here. Okay, let's use this one. Accept that. Okay, I cannot find the other one. Let's make use of this one. They are saying the same thing, talking about the same thing. But what will happen is that we are going to what? We are going to change the color of this one to green. Just come here, okay. Color. Enable. Let's just look for something like green. Okay. Let's pick it. Let's use the color picker. I don't like wasting my time. Come over here with your color picker. Okay. Accept that. Accept that. Okay, I've seen it. So you're going to use this. All right. This means that this number, you can contact this person on WhatsApp using this number. Okay, and you can equally call this person using this number. That's why the WhatsApp icon is here and the call icon is here. Okay, you can take this one here and take this one here, anyone, however you want it to be. Okay, so that is that. Let's reduce the size and let's position it with our position 2. Look at our position 2 here. Okay, let's position it very well. It's still big. Accept that first. Let's reduce the size. Okay, accept that. Position. All right, it's okay now. Let's accept that. Let's work on the WhatsApp icon. Let's reduce the size. Let's reduce the size here. Something small. Okay, accept that. Come over to position. Let's position it. Position it very well. Accept that. Okay, at this point, let's make use of our grid lines. Let's see how straight it is. You activate it here. Let's see. You see, it's not straight. This one, let's still work on this WhatsApp icon. Okay, they activate this thing here. That's why I like making use of my grid lines. Okay, okay, click on that WhatsApp icon. Let's increase it small. Come here, increase it small. All right, it's okay now. Accept that. Position is very well. Reduce this. All right, so it's okay now. Accept that. Then click here to remove this line. All right, so guys, as you can see, let's go and lock all this. Lock. So you have locked everything. Click here to come back. All right, guys, as you can see, there's nothing again. We are done with this work. Okay, now guys, as you can see, you can save this work like this and send to your client. Okay, if you notice some people in their WhatsApp status or in their WhatsApp profile picture, you see something like this there. Okay, you can send the work to your client like this. Okay, it's acceptable, but your client will accept this work more, like it will be more good, or your client will appreciate this work more if you do what is called presentation on this work. If you present it on what we call a mock-up. Okay, you can do this mock-up for those using laptop. You can do it in Photoshop. Okay, you can equally do it in CorelDRAW. All right, but I'm going to show you how to do this mock-up using your phone. Okay, so the next thing now is to do what is to import our mock-up. Okay, and we are going to use it we're going to make it our background. I have told you where to get your mock-ups. Okay, so I have downloaded my own mockup. Okay, if you don't know where to get your mockup, you can use apemockup.com. All right, so now let's import our mockup. All right, let's hide, let's make this to be small. So come here, we're going to make it our background. Now the next thing now is to look for, come to your gallery. All right, so guys, look at the mockup here. Okay, so 1:1 ratio. Remember, 1:1 ratio. Accept that. Okay, see, is now here. Mockup is now here. So now, guys, the next thing is what is to merge all this. Is to merge all this thing here, all these write-ups, all these objects together, so that we can be able to be moving it around at the same time and all that. But first of all, look at this. Let's do this. Look at this core icon and this WhatsApp icon. It look like a kind of sticky. Let's give it that sticky look. Okay, it's just the embossment. Let's emboss it first. Click on it. Okay, let's go here. We locked it. The core icon. Let's emboss it. Come over to the shape. Let's emboss the core icon. Emboss. Enable this. Have you seen that sticky look? Looking at it. So let's increase this. Let's just play with what you have here. Make it to look that sticky. Give it that sticky look. I like increasing all this. Okay, you can work on it on your own. Okay, accept that. The same thing here. Let's work on the WhatsApp icon as well. Okay, emboss, enable that. Okay, so that is that. So okay, all right, you can just work on it. After that, accept that. Then let's now, there's nothing again. Okay, so if there's any other thing, do it yourself. For me, I'm done. Now let's lock everything. Come here. Okay, all right, so we are going to merge all this. You're going to merge it. You know where to go. Come here. Okay, this one, all of them. You come over here, you merge, accept that. Okay, all right, so we come back here. You see, they are now the same, like they are now objects. You have joined everything. Remember what I told you. Once you joined any object with a text, everything will become object. You can no more edit it from here. You can only edit it from here. You can only work on it from here, rather. So that is that. So now is now in the middle. We are going to make it to look like this. Yeah, if you look at the kind of bend, it kind of slant. So we're going to make it to be like that. So let's undo that. Okay, so okay, so that is that. So guys, the next thing now is what? Let's work on this. Okay, let's go. First of all, let's enable these 3D shapes. Okay, enable. Just looking at what I'm doing. The depth. Let's make the depth to be 1. Use it to 1 for now. Okay, now let's darken it. Okay, darken 30. Let's leave it at that. Okay, let's rotate the y rotation. Let's make it to be something like 21. Okay, let's leave it at 21. Let's work on this. We're looking at what I'm doing here. Let's leave it at 2. Oh, we're working on it. Yeah, I'm checking something. Let's see. Okay. Alright, let's leave it like this. Okay, nothing again to work here. Okay, for now, let's accept that. So guys, let's go to what shadow. Let's go to shadow. Enable shadow. Okay, so let's is the color should be black. Alright. Then the shadow, this raw radius, let's make it to be like 12. Okay. Then let's see. If you're moving like this, it's going by the right, like this by the left. Okay, so let's make it to be at something like okay, it's okay like this. This way, if you want it to go up, if you want it to come down, use the offset y here, offset s. If you want to move it sideways, okay, so that is that. Let's leave it at minus 6 is okay. So let's do this one at, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, let's leave it at 5. All right guys, let's accept that. So guys, how do you see this? Let's see. Okay, now next now is to make this background here. It's a kind of light, or this one is a kind of dark. Okay, here is a kind of dark. Okay, so let's lighten it a little bit. Okay, come over to this place. Let's work on that. Come over to the brightness. Okay, it's here. All right, let's leave it like this. Accept. Now let's position this very well. So guys, this is it. Okay, so we are done. So the next thing is to what? Save your work and send it to your client. Okay, you can save it from here. Save as image. Then come over here. Save it make it to be ultra, then click on save. Right. So thank you guys for watching. You can subscribe. You can subscribe to this channel for more tutorials on Bezier Lab like this. Okay. Thanks.